In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a row in Smartsheet so your full content is visible and easier to read. To get started, open the Smartsheet sheet that contains the row you want to adjust. Make sure you're in the correct sheet before making any changes, especially if you work with multiple projects or shared files. Once the sheet is open, scroll through and locate the specific row that needs more space. This is usually a row where the text looks cramped, cut off, or difficult to read at a glance. After you've found the row, take a moment to check whether text wrapping is turned on. In many cases, the content may appear hidden simply because the text is being displayed on a single line. Enabling text wrapping allows longer text to flow onto multiple lines within the same cell, which often makes the information much easier to review without changing the width of your columns. If the text is being cut off, turning on wrapping is an important first step before manually resizing anything. Once wrapping is enabled, look at the row again. If the content still feels too tight or you want to give it more visual space, move your cursor to the border of the row if manual resizing is available in your view. Positioning your cursor carefully is important here because you'll need to hover right over the row boundary in order to resize it. When the resize option appears, click and drag the row border downward to increase the row height. As you drag, try to adjust the height gradually. You want enough space for the text to display clearly without making the sheet look unnecessarily oversized. A balanced layout will help keep your sheet readable and organized, especially if other team members will be viewing it. After resizing, review the row closely to make sure the full content is now visible. Check for any text that may still be hidden, especially if the row includes longer notes, descriptions, or multiple lines of information. If needed, you can make a small additional adjustment until the row looks right. Finally, save the sheet after adjusting the row size. Saving ensures your formatting changes are kept and available the next time you or someone else opens the sheet. And that's it. A simple way to make your Smartsheet rows more readable and better formatted for everyday use.